Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be creating a Disney Little Mermaid inspired mani, and we're going to be using dip powders from Marullo Nail Co and then Nails Truly Decals. So the first color here, it's called Agua Viva, and it's the most beautiful glitter. It's totally giving me that song when Sebastian starts singing Under the Sea. It's giving me those kind of vibes because it's so vibrant and it's like the perfect blues and just bright pops of color in this glitter, and then there's some blue foils. So it's overall just a really pretty, giving me the Under the Sea vibe. So I just love this so much, and we had to use it today for this mani. And then we're going to be using Snow Bunny, which is a really pretty pearl shimmer white, and it kind of has a slight pink undertone to it, and it's super stunning. And then here are the fun Little Mermaid decals that we're going to be using today. Now these decals are part of my mystery bag with Nails Truly, which is available now. We are going to be doing a set of press-ons today, and we're going to start off by using some dip liquids from Tough Girls, and then we're going to go ahead and switch it up a little bit. When we get to the decal part, we're going to be using some gels. So that's the best part about doing our nails at home, is that we can switch things up whenever our heart desires. So real quick here, how awesome in full coverage is Snow Bunny right there with that first dip. It is fantastic coverage, and these dip powders are super buttery and soft. Now that first dip, you can see here, it's kind of like a milky white background with a little hint of pink shimmer to it. It's super pretty, and you could totally get away with one dip if you really wanted to, but we're going to build it up and we're going to do 2 dips total. And then these are going to be the background for the decals, but then we're going to add some extra glitter to this later on after we place those decals by adding some of the finer glitter from Agua Viva. We're going to just do kind of like take an ombre brush and just add a little bit more sparkle to these nails when we place those decals. So you'll see that here in a little bit. And how fun is this dust brush? It is a mermaid tail. I figured since we can't use a dingle hopper to brush off that extra powder, I might as well use a fun mermaid brush. Now this mermaid brush, I got it off Amazon, but Marullo Nail Co has the most beautiful, I mean beautiful dust brushes. I'll link a picture right here so you can see it. They are stunning. So next time you're placing an order with Marullo Nail Co, do not forget to add one of those gorgeous brushes to your order. All right, so enough chit chat. Let's get into this mani, and then I will pop back in at the end.
Like a cargo, you will carry me. I just hope you know my depth, even though it makes no sense. Sometimes I'm broken, too much
Alright, so how cute is this Manny? I just love how it turned out. Little Mermaid is one of my favorite Disney movies. I love Flounder, Sebastian, and Ariel, and I just like how this turned out with these dip powders. It really brought this Manny to life and really made those decals pop. And then I really like how I added a little bit of that gel polish on the back of Flounder on that glitter accent nail to really make Flounder pop. And it looks like he is swimming in the water, and I just love it so much. These dip powders really brought these decals to life, and together it created the perfect Little Mermaid Manny. So I will go ahead and link everything that we use in today's video in the description box below. And if you have not yet, I do have a giveaway on my channel, and it is ending on April 12th, and you have a chance to win one of my mystery bags from Nails Truly. So head over there and check that out. Stay tuned, we will be doing more Disney inspired manis on my channel. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next upload.